your life. You're nothing. You're opening gates up and down in another person's company. I go to my rush that with me. Me, even if I wear uniform today, wear tomorrow, I still have credit for me at home. What do you have waiting for you? Nothing. So please don't start this. I don't have friends.
And why open the gates? You keep running your mouth saying you have inheritance, but look at you, dressed in a security guard's uniform, just like me. And you're running your mother, you have inheritance. With this your attitude, there's a very good chance that your mother will give all her wealth to charity.
Please shut up.